What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Craftsman compact blower in the fall clamp edition. Now you see, it would definitely get used during the fall clamp season this year. You see what the one you said last weekend, the foreign bag just died and now I'm using a 6-ounce bag, you can see, because you see how much better, you see. This one's fully charged, you can see, because you know how expected to see exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice right here. Like I said, this battery is a CMTB LZ100. I definitely like this thing a lot because you see how much it's better this thing, it definitely looks very nice right here. But here's the thing though, exactly, because this thing right here exactly, there's nothing wrong with it exactly, because you see how much it's better this thing exactly is get used almost quite a bit this year. And what I expected this thing exactly is going to get used during the season this year, because I do kind of like this thing a lot, because this blower here exactly has been used almost quite a bit, because even though with the 6-ounce battery and the 4-ounce battery, it actually lasts longer than the 1.5 battery that was used last year exactly, which is exactly what it is exactly the same exactly, which is exactly what it is exactly the machine exactly, as you can see, because the 6-ounce battery lasts a long time. And you know I was really excited to see exactly get used almost very big this year, because you see how much expected to see exactly which exactly what it is exactly this machine exactly just definitely looks pretty nice my opinion. So you definitely how much expected this thing will definitely will get used during the season this year, because you see how much expected this thing exactly used to see. But it's definitely what it is exactly to see, because you see how much expected, so it will get used again this year for 2025 fall clean season, you can see, because they did last year, you can see, but you see, you know how expected this thing exactly just definitely looks pretty nice my opinion. But even no, this thing exactly gonna get used almost right, but this year, as it looks pretty nice in my opinion, so you see how much it's better this thing, so definitely do use during the fall clean season this year, it definitely looks very nice.